So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can convert your slow motion recorded videos to normal videos on your iPhone. Now in order to do it, you just first of all simply need to open that particular video on your Photos app. For example, this is the photo. Now in order to currently you can see it's in the slow motion. Right there it's at the timestamps is in the microseconds. So in order to fix that, simply click on the settings option right there on the below of the screen. Once you do that, here you'll see this option that something a drag timeline. Simply make both the ends to closer. So what it does, it simply make your video as normal again, and if you stretch it fully, it will make all the video slow motion again. So make sure to combine both of the timestamps and hit done. Now your video is converted to a normal video. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.